All right, guys, so here's the story. Luke, who many of you know, you've been with us since what year?
2015.
2015. 6 years now Luke has worked here, but he's been primarily in customer service after detailing. He's learning to tint now, and he thinks that he can tint better than Brandon, who's been tinting now with us for what?
4 or 5 months.
4 or 5 months, pretty much every day, all day. So Luke has a tendency to be very confident in his own abilities, and we're gonna see how it goes. So me and Nate are going to blind judge this thing. Nate's been a tinter for years, I've been a tinter for years, and Terrell is here to help us as well. He's been a tinter for years, so we are going to really criticize these things when they're done. We're not gonna know who's tinting which window, so we're gonna flip a coin right now while me and Nate and Terrell get the heck out of here.
What you calling?
Well, then what we're doing is, if it's heads, I'm doing the, you can probably hear me out there.
No.
Heads is the driver window for me, tails is the passenger window for me. Yep. So whatever it is.
Are you gonna catch and flip? Yeah, I'm gonna catch and flip. Got it? Yeah.
Know that before the competition started, one of the judges, I'm not going to say any names, said he's rooting against me. So I'm not saying that's why I'm going to lose, but if I do,
well, good thing he doesn't know which one you're doing, right?
Yeah, but he has an idea.
So are you saying he's not going to judge appropriately, or?
I'm not saying that. I'm just saying if he did, I wouldn't be surprised.
So he's somehow sabotaging you from the showroom then.
He can really hear my voice right now, so he knows what side of the bay I'm on. So
he's not going to grade yours correctly.
Probably not. Issue here, John. Might have an issue here. My top edges of hair are too high.
And you're already seated?
We're gonna try and wiggle it down.
So here's the deal. I don't even know what our scoring, like what we're doing yet.
Did everyone take, you both just took exactly 20 minutes, you took full time? Okay.
So keep a poker face, because normally they make you leave the room for this part too. But we want you here to, but keep a poker face. And normally the cleanup and panels and all that stuff all counts towards it, believe it or not, in the time frame. So when you're doing this with XPEL, it's 15 minutes and it's all inclusive. From the moment you touch the car to the moment it goes back to the customer. And hand cut. It's hard.
I didn't know that.
Have you guys ever checked a window before?
Yeah. About 15,000 times.
This is kind of overhanging a little bit right in the middle.
Okay. So have we figured out how many points you're losing or whatever? Are they starting at 100?
I would say start at 100. Now, it's another thing
Brandon wouldn't make that. That's an amateur mistake.
What?
Top edge is a rookie mistake. I don't think Brandon would have screwed that up.
Also the fact that he's making so many excuses.
It looks like it should catch.
Wait, so if it looks like it should catch and it doesn't, that's
Then it's
a good thing?
about as perfect as it gets.
Yeah,
Oh.
good then.
It's like a shaved edge. All right, so we don't know the winners. We don't know who tinted what window yet. This one scored a 92. The other one scored a 68.
Well, obviously I'm the 92.
I knew I was saying go over from the get-go. I'm not going to blame the timer, but he was MIA. I wanted to redo it, but I decided to peel it back and respray it. I lost fair and square. I'll admit that. I lost fair and square.
To be fair though, how many windows have you tinted in your life so far?
Probably 15.
15? How many have you tinted? Many hundreds.
Yeah, over 100.
So, either way, me and Nate both agreed that that other window, all of the issues, most of the issues that existed were easily fixable on a look over. So with the exception of your top edge hangover, that was a sellable window.
Yeah.
So.
I knew that top edge was going to get me, but I didn't.
Also, this is probably one of the best windows Brandon's ever tinted.
Really?
It's really good.
Wow. When you said shaved top edge, I was like, I'm gold.
That is there is no such thing as a perfect window with window tint. That's as close as you
Under
can
pressure, Brandon shines.
But I'm still going to beat Terrell in 2 months, so it's okay.
Yeah, because we're doing 15
To be
minutes.
continued.
We're doing 15 minutes. We're not doing no 20.
In the face of loss, Luke has still called out Terrell, who's been tinting for a lot longer than Brandon. 2 months from now, he says he's beaten Terrell, so to be continued.